Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Muni. Today I am gonna show you how to make roasted chana dal laddu. So let's get started. I have 1 bowl chana dal, 200 gram jaggery, 1 tablespoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon water. First let us make the jaggery syrup. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Adding the jaggery. Let the jaggery melt. Let me check. Now the syrup is ready. We are going to put a roasted chana dal. Turn off stove, mix it quickly. Add the cardamom powder. Take a small portion and make a laddu. We can store up to 1 week in a container. Now ready to eat. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.